down that loop. That ain't through anything.
Right. Yes, thank you. Because, I've heard of people getting stuck with a problem, but this is ridiculous.
No bars, no burglar alarm. They ought to be prosecuted for incitement.
Come on in and join the party, love!
A burglar? This is most exciting.
Yes, I think this is my fault. Because when I say, I've heard of people getting stuck with a problem, but this is ridiculous, and I open this door,
No bars. No burglar alarm. They ought to be prosecuted for incitement. No, but sometimes it makes me want to sit and weep.
Yes, it is getting like a funeral in here.
When I think I used to do baits. When I remember I used to do bullion bolts.
Just keep going.
I'm doing now. I'm breaking into paper bags.
Keep going.
stop.
No.
I thought the coast was clear, you see. I saw him going out to the bar.
No, look. It's all right. We'll think of something.
Oh no. I was listening most carefully. What is it he says?
I've heard of people getting stuck with the problem that this is ridiculous.
Then he opens this door. Get what? They want to be prosecuted for incitement.
Come in threes, don't they?
When I think I used to do baits. When I remember I used to do bullion bolts.
Now wait. We know this man. He's not a burglar. He's a social worker.
What?
He's the nice man who comes in and tells us all what to do.
What to do?
What to do?
What's he saying?
He's saying just get through it for doors and sardines, yes? Doors and sardines, that's what it's all about. Yes?
Doors and sardines?
Doors and sardines!
He's saying phones and police.
Phones and police?
The police!
He's saying bags and boxes.
Bags and boxes!
He's saying sheets.
Sheets!
He's saying all we want now is a nice happy ending.
Here she is in her wedding dress.
Yes, it's our wedding day.
It's their wedding day.
What a happy ending.
Do you take this sheet to be your lawful wedding? Speak now or forever hold your peace.
What's he saying? What's he saying?
He's saying, last line!
That's fine.
Last line! Last line!
Whoa. When all around is strife and uncertainty, there's nothing like a good old-fashioned plate